Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do a rocking drill or a contralateral rocking drill to really help tie your body together. What I'm really going to show you is how to crawl in place, but it's also kind of like rocking, and it's just a great way to connect your X. And if you didn't know, your body's an X, and the more connected your X is, the stronger and the more resilient you are. Anyway, the drill this week is you're gonna get on all fours, on your hands and knees. So typically, rocking is head up with your head on the horizon and rocking back and forth here. And this is rocking's a phenomenal movement. It can do so much for you. It just ties your body together, tells your brain where all your joints are, and it is just a great way to connect your body to maybe help with some aches and pains and also just help with stress. It's a great way to help with stress. But anyway, we can take rocking, which is again normally here, and let's make it opposite arm and leg only. So what I mean is we're going to step forward, step back, step forward, step back. So as you can see, we're contralaterally loading our opposite limbs, just like we would if we were crawling, but we're actually still just rocking back and forth. So we're still activating our vestibular system, we're still getting this gentle back and forth motion, but we're placing more of a demand on our X, and we're better tying, or we're adding a load to the X to tie it together just a little bit better. And of course, if you do that, you're gonna wanna do both sides. And you can also play with speed, which places more of a demand on your body, and it just makes you own your movements. I like to say it fills in your nooks and crannies. So it helps you develop control. And then if you have control, well, obviously you can move faster, better as well too. So the other thing about this drill that's really good about it is it's kind of like crawling in place. So if you don't have a lot of room to crawl, you're still able to contralaterally load your body, contralaterally load your X, and tie yourself together without a lot of room. So it's a simple drill, but it's a great way to tie your X together. It's a great way to still engage in rocking, and it allows you to play and explore with your speed and really dial your movements in. Okay? Simple drill, but I think if you'll try it, you'll feel what I'm talking about, how it just kind of connects you. And again, the better connected you are, the more resilient you are. And we're made to be strong and resilient throughout our lives. And simple drills like this is really how we get there. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, don't go just yet. If you care, could you give us a share? We're trying to grow our reach and expand our network. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.